Well. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society market makers, and good morning, YouTube. We're back once again. It is Wednesday. It's Hump Day, boys. We're going to try executing our trades to the best of our abilities today, and we're going to try printing today. Slow and steady, base freaking hits. Don't be trying to wild out and shoot for the moon today. Let's not do that. We got news at 10:30 today. For the U.S., Canada got something at 9:45, but that should not affect us. And I'm just dialed ready. I've been anticipating today's trading session. And we're gonna let some more folks jump in here, but that closed from yesterday. That 191.50 act as support last night during the Asian session, the London pre-market. So we're going to see, because if we can't get through there, we may start trying to climb back up a little bit, but you never know right now. But we ready. We waiting. Trading multiple accounts today. Trading 20 accounts today. So we're just going to take our time base hitting. We're going to see what we can do. And that's it. Man, oh man. I'm ready to work out today. I woke up feeling skinny today. So for me personally, I'm ready to get back in the gym this afternoon because your boy has goals. For this coming month of May. I'm trying to get back into the 200s. I haven't been in the 200s in like 8-9 years. So that's my current goal. Then on top of that, we are trying to get one of the biggest payouts I've ever gotten before. So with that being said, you gotta be dialed off the charts so you can be dialed on the charts. So that's why we're doing what we're doing. And I'm excited for it. I'm freaking excited for it. What's up, Niner? Good morning. How you doing today, brother? Alrighty. All is well. Hey, we'll take that, bro. Love to hear it, bro. Yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm relaxing. We're just on. Well, I'm honestly waiting until 9:45 because I'm not going to be trigger happy today. Just waiting for our moves so we can execute. Morning, G. How you doing this morning, brother?
All right, can't complain. Ready to make some money.
But hey, let's go.
Looks like we in the same zone that we in yesterday, so it may be choppy again today.
That we are. We got the Fed stuff later today as well. But that close from yesterday, that 191.50, that's a spot we have to get through if we're going to keep dropping here. Because we've tapped it twice and we bounced up off of it both times. So that would be the line that I'll be waiting to get below before taking like a short, but that's just me personally. Next Tuesday, we have another training in the community for the builders and up. Last night's training was really, really good, but I want to level up even more so we could get people super dialed. So we got another training this coming Tuesday, 7 p.m. Eastern. Going over my strategy and everything in between to make sure you guys are understanding what we're doing, how I'm doing it, and how you can do it for yourself. Yeah, we got 10:30 news and 2 and 2:30. Okay, cool. Yeah, I know we had like the FOMC or whatever type deal today about the interest rates at 2 o'clock today. So that'll start popping and moving around 2:30 into that power hour. All right, we're coming up on 9:25. We're coming up on 9:25 here. So let me give you some of the where the things are at for today. So close from yesterday, 191.50, 191.50. Our current 21 EMA is sitting there right around the 229.75, 229.75. We have a pivot above that sitting at 237.50, 237.50. And then our fancy VWAP sitting up there around 250, 250 for that VWAP.
250.79.
79. Good morning,
EMA,
Steve.
229.43. 229.43. No, that's 1 minute. Sorry, hang on a sec.
Trading my draws. Love the name. What's up, bro? Good morning. Good morning, BP. How you doing this morning, brother? Hopefully you got some rest last night so you're dialed to execute this morning. That goes for all y'all.
Oh, I want to make sure that BP is happy. Will you ask him for me?
He can hear you, so you.
Yeah, but he's like quiet. He's like the man behind the veil.
The man behind the veil. Have you ever woken up feeling skinny? That's how I woke up today, boys. I woke up light as a feather today. Yeah, I like it.
That's awesome that you're so great.
Yeah, for today, we got news at 10:30. It may be kind of choppy this morning because we got the news after 2 o'clock today about interest rates and stuff. So it may be slightly choppy. So we're going to have to be skilled today, gentlemen. We got to be skilled. Once we see our move, we have to execute. Let's go, BP. Yo, fasting is a hack, bro. I love fasting. I love fasting. For me, if I do a fast or if I just eat eggs and sausages for like a dinner, I wake up the next day feeling so light. Hey, let's go, Rob. Yeah, listen, fasting is a life hack to keep your body in check and heal itself. Actually, maybe this weekend I do a little fast myself. Don't tell my trainer. Don't tell my trainer.
I do intermittent fasting though.
Yep.
Every day.
Well, I was normally doing intermittent fasting, but I would do the OMAD. So that'd be 1 meal a day, and then you fast for 24 hours. That one I really liked because it just made life so simple. But I was sometimes throwing like a 3-day fast over the weekends, just so that way my body could recover, relax, heal, everything like that, and I could eat again on Monday. Oh, nice, Rob. That's awesome. That's awesome.
What's going on, Steve?
What's happening?
We're all anticipating. We got less than 2 minutes now. Less than 2 minutes for market open here.
I don't know. I'm sick of the chop, man. It's just like it's boring.
April, I want to say March and April probably have been two of the worst months for market conditions I've seen in quite a while. So if you've been able to do anything in March and April, pat yourself on the back because these conditions have not been ideal.
Yeah.
Getting this slight little push up before, like, they want to, but
Look, we see it. We know it. You don't even have to say it with us. We can feel it. But we're sick of the chop.
oh, well, we're all sick of the chop. Is this going to be a little bear flag right here? I'm not sure. We're going to see market opens 30 seconds. 30 seconds for market open here. And I'm ready. I'm dialed. 20 seconds left. 20 seconds left for that market open here. Hopefully, from our lips to God's ears, the markets are not going to be chopping this morning. Morning, Steven. No chop today. Oh, hey, Mr. Moose. Good morning, sir. Sound like he's still not awake yet, folks. He's still not awake. There's market open.
I gotta make my coffee.
Alexa, brew coffee.
He's thinking.
Alrighty. We just tapped that close right through it, actually. Woof. Woof. That bear flag. That was a bear flag. Right before market open, we printed a bear flag.
Uh-oh, somebody failed.
Yeah, that was Steve. That was Steve. I already know. Making sure his button worked. You know, you always got to do that test trade. You know what I'm saying? Just to make sure it works.
That's right.
Yeah, that's a good drop. That's a good take, though.
Oh, this is not gonna lie. This is kind of painful right now because I saw that bear flag.
There's no pain. There's no pain.
For you, you're in the trade.
Hit us all, Steve. On the 1 hour, hit a little zone. Just let you know, FYI.
Waiting. I'm waiting. I gotta wait till 9:45. Just a simple base hit. That's all I'm looking for today on my accounts. It's just a base hit. Let me actually see some. That's crazy. For real?
Nice. It was a nice drop.
So if I make $200, if I make $200, that'll give me $3,000 for the day.
Awesome. Well, I love your math, but let's talk about Moose. Moose, your microphone sounds really hollow and in the background again.
Oh, man. Hold on.
It's like it sounds like Moose. It sounds like somebody's talking on a speaker on a phone from, you know what I mean? It's not like up front.
How about now?
That's better.
It's better, but it's still not like, I don't know. It's like you're you need like another 10%.
Okay, hold on. How about now?
Yeah, there you go. That's the Moose I know.
That's the Moose I know. Yeah, right now, this market.
So it's setting up on the 1 minute. It's looking like a bear flag.
On the 1 minute, let's take a look. Let's take a gander at that 1 minute. Yes, that is looking like a little bear flag. Just don't like those buying wicks. I just don't like those buying wicks. They ain't putting no gas in it.
If it comes down, I think I want to see it to 27.84. But I mean, that may be a little far down right now. But I think it could come down to that.
Dwayne would like to see a flag. He doesn't want it to set up all at once. He wants it to take.
I don't want to see anything right now. I gotta wait till 9:45.
He wants a
I don't want to see.
setup. He wants a 13-minute setup on the flag.
Like, this is so painful. That bear flag right at market pre-market into the market open, and then it did the flush. But that's okay because I spotted it, so that lets me know another move will happen. You know, that's the whole thing. When you feel like you missed out on a trade, just know another move will happen.
And on the 2 minute, it's resting right at the Camarillo pivot, support 1. So just so you know, you ask about those things sometime.
Thank you, Steve. I'm gonna see if I can put $400 in this account, because if I put $400 in, that'll give me $6,000 on the day. Yeah, I like that math. Don't ask me how 400 comes out of 6,000, but it will today because I'm copy trading. All right, I got literally 11 minutes. 11 minutes to actually be able to trade. Good morning, Yaz. Hopefully you're doing well this morning. Just patiently waiting. We had this little push down here right at market open off that bear flag. I understand that one, yes. Listen, we all have to do that sometimes. Yeah, get that clean mental reset so that way you're dialed and ready to execute when you come back. It was a nice drop, Moose. Like it was. I would already been done for the day, like $10,000 later.
I didn't read the market earlier, but it was a nice drop.
That was. We had that bear flag print on the 2-minute.
Yeah. You still in, Steve?
No, I'm not in.
Yeah, so when I'm trading on Ninja Trader, I'm using Replicanto. I use Replicanto on Ninja Trader. And when I'm traveling, I use Tradeify's built-in copy trader when I'm on Tradeify trading. Good morning, JB.
You gave me my next name.
Last night's Traders Hangout was probably our biggest Traders Hangout on a Tuesday ever. We had 60 people in the chat. It was a good old vibe. Over 2,000 views on it. And over 50 hours of watch time on a Tuesday night hangout. Craziness. So let's keep that party going this week.
Well, we're getting Moose. Out of getting a retracement.
Hopefully this is just structure for a bear flag here to take us lower. But I'm hands off right now. I'm waiting 9 more minutes so I'm cleared to trade. And once we get there, we're executing.
Hey, Duane, Moose is a good guy. Let's buy him a microphone that's not from Temu. See, it sounds like he's on like a long distance call again.
A long distance call.
You know what's crazy? I do have a microphone though. I just have to switch it over. Which one is it though? I don't know, and I don't want to take it out right now. Oh, here it goes.
Yes. So in the community for the builders and up, we went through my strategy. And we'll be having another training next Tuesday as well. So if you missed last night, that's okay. We got another one next Tuesday.
So is it more just kind of extrapolating on last night, or is it like just for the people that didn't catch last night?
It's going to be a combination of both. So we're going to go over all the basics again, but then we're going to do more of a deep dive on the Rinkos.
Hey, how's it sound?
Whoa. The reverb, sir. Woo.
I am Iron Man.
Does it sound too
Whoa.
Is that too much?
Yeah, go back to the other one, fam. Go back to the other.
So echo down, right? How about now?
Yeah.
He went from tinny voice to the voice of God, like in 2 seconds. Like,
how about now? Is it too much echo?
yeah, that's got like a clapback echo. Just give it a nice ring. You're not spitting a track, are you?
How about now? How about now?
You just,
Yeah, that's good. That's much better.
Okay, because I have a microphone that I bought, but I've never used it. So,
well, that was like Old Testament God, Tetragrammaton.
Oh yeah, I just connected it.
Come on, Betsy, show us something here. Show us something. We got 6 more minutes for this range to be completed. 6 more minutes for the range to be completed here. Hey, let's go, JB. Good job. I'm flat right now. Haven't taken a trade yet. Only looking for $250, $400 a day. Because I do that 400, that will give me $6,000 on the day. So simple basic. That's all we're looking for today. We're below that close from yesterday, 191.50. 191.50 was the close from yesterday. So let's see. Let's see. We finally got below it because it's acting as support. Now we're above it. Ooh, let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Yeah, so for childcare, just for my youngest son, for his daycare, I pay $14,000 a year for one kid.
Why are you talking about daycare on here, you crazy sucker?
Someone asked in the chat about schooling for kids. Sir, Jive Turkey. What's up, Fat Mac? Fat Mac, no, I will not be trading during FOMC because I won't even be home. I'll be on my way back to the house from the gym.
Yeah, but he has a tablet in his truck.
That's not a bad idea, but let's see here. All right, the low for this range so far is 124.25. 124.25. If we don't reject here, if we don't reject off this close from yesterday at that 191 level, that low should stand. That low should stand if we don't reject here. The high of the range so far is 217.75. 217.75. Starting to reject. JB, I think it's over there, but I've never really built that one out, to be honest with you. I should probably turn that one off.
What is it?
Twitch. Don't forget, hit that like button, that sub button. I need all the help to get those likes on these streams, so that way YouTube continues to push these further out to people. Looking like a little bull flag right there. Looking like a bull flag. But for me, I want to get above that 191.75 level. Above that 191.75 level. I wasn't looking at that, Chris. I look at the Nasdaq, brother. Appreciate you guys hitting that like button for your dog here. We do these streams every morning for free for y'all to make sure you guys are leveling up and growing and printing money each and every day in the markets. This is not financial advice. This is just entertainment purposes only. And tonight we got 9:30 p.m. Eastern, the Traders Hangout once again, where we're talking trading, talking life, everything in between. Make sure you're in that room because it's going to be a good old time. We're going to be fireside, poolside, everything like that. We got Boca in the house. That's awesome. I'm up in closer Central Florida. Just waiting right now, gentlemen. Just waiting. We tapped that 21 EMA, came back down below that close. Honestly, looking at those wicks on that 2-minute, showing that some selling pressure there. I just want to see some clean moves. I'm just waiting. I'm not rushing anything. We're going to wait for the move to execute. Look at the wigs. They looking slick. Steve's always trying to rhyme. Always. Looking like a potential little bull flag, but I don't like where we're currently sitting. So up or down. Right now, that's a little bull flag, but we got selling pressure. So I would not be taking until we clear those wicks. To play as safe as possible. And right now, we're not at the middle of the 15-minute range, but we're not far off. So it's like, hopefully it's not a sideways day. What's up, Izzy? Good morning, sir. Hopefully you're staying safe on the road over there, brother. Patiently waiting. There's 945. There's 945. So the range is going to stay in that I called out already. 124.25 for the low. 124.25 for the low. In the high, 217.75. 217.75 is the high. So that range is going to stand because I don't see the market dropping or pumping like crazy within the next 10 seconds. I could be wrong, but I highly doubt it right now.
Going to the moon, baby.
All right, I'm officially cleared to trade. There we go, folks. There we freaking go. About time. How does that range help? It's very simple, right? So if we're in the middle of that range, if we're in the middle, we don't take trades because we don't diddle in the middle. You don't want to take trades right in the middle of the 15-minute range because there's no clear direction if we're going up or down. Then, when we break out of the range, we can look for different targets, everything like that. What was that, Steve?
I said orb.
Yep, the orb, the opening range break. Some people do a 5-minute orb. I like the 15 personally. Just so that way we have a little bit more time to see what the market's trying to do. On the 2-minute.
Yeah, that's about what I see too.
But I feel as a trader, it's important to know certain things of the market structure for the day, so that way we can execute as clean as possible.
We're pumping. We're gonna get up past. Well, maybe we were thinking about the EMA.
I'm not trading FOMC. I won't be home for it. I will be literally leaving the gym, so I may have a tablet with me. Who knows? But I'm not going to be sitting in front of the screens looking at FOMC a day. Because if I was, your boy would get a couple extra evals and pass them. Like the Apex evals you can pass in a day, get them passed right away type deal. But it is what it is. Yeah, we're sitting way too close to the middle of this range, 15-minute range, middle of the range. So not touching nothing, not touching anything yet. Look at that buying pressure. We got selling pressure. Like, market hasn't decided what it wants to do yet. And yo, I am so happy with my new washer I got because we replaced my other one. I literally just upgraded the same unit I had to the newer version. I can literally schedule my laundry. Life hack.
Come on, D-Bob. You still have to put it in the machine. You know, stop with this.
That is true. So last night I put it in the machine. I turned on my smart control on it. So when I was laying in bed, I'm okay, what time do I want the laundry to end? Oh, I want it in at 7 this morning. So I scheduled it for 5 something in the morning to start the load. Woke up, clothes were done, put them in the dryer and chilling. Life hack. Life freaking hack, boys.
You know, I mean, like I said, I bought a commercial dryer. Doesn't have any digital, doesn't have any shit because it just it's like a steamroller. It'll wash a comforter.
No, that's amazing. Trust me. That right there is amazing.
Hey, that's nice to know. I know if I instead of ironing, I'll just take my wrinkled stuff, all of Dwayne's, and then have it scheduled for the day that I need it.
Yeah, Carmona needs his laundry at 8:30, and then I need mine done at 9:30. So,
What's up, Jose? Hopefully you're having a good day today, bro.
Yes, sir. Having a good day, enjoying this weather. It's raining over here, but
oh wow,
enjoying this weather, trying to work and get some trades in and tune in. So
Well, stay dry, brother. Stay dry. We cleared those wicks there. We cleared those wicks. We got the VWAP above the 15-minute range. The VWAP's currently sitting right above the 15-minute range, right around 228 there. So for me personally,
talk about. Okay, well we're gonna pop out.
Yeah, we're getting ready to tap it. Pop out, wait for the retest of the range, and then the push to that pivot. All right, there's the pop out. Let's see if we come right back in. All right, there we go. Came right back in there. Cool. That VWAP's so close where I'm like tempted to target it right now, but I need more momentum. Need some clean, clear momentum for the day.
Well, if your stomach going down to 1 minute, it's building a flag, possibly.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, it is. If it doesn't reverse too much.
No, you can put whatever in. All right. Let's see if we build us a little bull flag. I'll be okay with that. We finally cleared those previous candle wicks, so that makes me a little bit more excited to look for a long here. Just waiting for clean momentum. I only need to make $400 to give me a $6,000 day. So for me personally, I am simply looking for a simple execution day. So that way I'm not even having to over trade or anything like that. Just taking my time, waiting for the move.
Hey, Duane, how many accounts do you have now?
How many? So today I am trading. Just one click of the button will be trading 15 accounts.
Dear God. Wait.
And then, so pretty much I'm trading 20 accounts a day.
Hey, want me to tell you a little secret? You told me, hey, use a microphone, right? For the last 10 minutes, I've been trying to talk to you, and you wouldn't answer. What the hell's wrong with it? I forgot it has the on and off button.
That's hilarious.
It's just ignoring me.
And it also has a reverb button because now he's back. He's like,
Yep, that reverb's serious. That reverb is serious. Welcome for all the new folks in here on the YouTube streams. You're trading live with myself and the market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society. We have a good old time here. We wait for our moves. We execute as clean as possible. Simply base hitting, right? Simply base hitting. No flash, no glitz, some glamour sometimes, but we're here to print some smoney's. Hopefully you're staying safe in the markets this morning. Do me a favor, don't forget to hit that like button, the sub button, so that way YouTube pushes these streams further, and you'll be notified every time we go live every morning, 9:20 a.m. Eastern, and we go live every night, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, for the Traders Hangout, where we have more time to interact one-on-one here, answering questions, everything like that. Hopefully you're enjoying the stream so far, and here's that bull flag right there. Let me get ready to see if I'm gonna take this. Let's see if we get some more momentum.
Do I still sound like an echo?
better.
Okay. I gotta find the proper setting to this. I'm sorry.
Okay. No, it's part of the fun.
I want to see this 15-minute retrace. Ramona.
Take me to that VWAP. Close that right there. 280 on 15 accounts right there. 280 on 15 accounts. Solid base hit right there for the first trade of the day. So just made $4,200 from the day with that one little click. Let me make sure it copy traded properly. Hopefully no accounts got like messed up because sometimes that happens. Awesome sauce. We will gladly take that. Simple base hits today. I'm going to get ready to put this on the screen for y'all. So everybody on the horizontal, everyone on the horizontal, there you go. Just to show I ain't capping. Yeah, I'm getting ready to trade some of those other accounts that have not been traded yet. But we'll take that. Let me rotate to some Tradeify accounts here. Let me see which one I have ready to copy trade. Tradeify, all right, 18, cool. Was that right? I don't think that's right. I'm gonna have to check that. What's up, Brent? Good morning. BP, let's go, bro. If you come and jump on in. You got access, bro. You got the access. Were you nervous on that one? No, I wasn't nervous. Because I was targeting that VWAP. Remember, like in the training last night, right? They act as magnets. So we broke out the 15-minute range a couple minutes ago. We pulled back into the 15. We popped back out. So this should be the real push. So I would expect us to build another bull flag here to take us next to that pivot point. Because we have a pivot. Where's my... There we go. We have a pivot sitting currently at 237.75. 237.75. But I would want to get above this VWAP in order to target that pivot.
And there's like right on top of that pivot, like a tick away, is the first Camarillo pivot as well. So the resistance pivot is there, like literally like they're overriding each other so close.
Got you. Thank you for that. You see, we work together on these streams. If y'all see something in the chat, put it in there. It may help somebody. The market makers help me every single day execute clean in the market.
We also have a minute and a half until our 10 o'clock.
Man, Steve calling out all the plays today. He's not even letting me call him out. Yeah, we got 10 o'clock coming on. We have no news dropping at 10 o'clock, but we live by a rule. Do not be in a trade at 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock because that's when normally news does drop. So you don't want, it's just a good habit to have, not being in trades at those whole times. So that way you never get surprised. Because I've been surprised. Hey, my name's Duane. I'm a real trader. I forgot I was in a trade at 10 o'clock before and it absolutely dumped. It ripped. It was horrible. I blew the account at that point. So that's why we make sure we're not in trades anymore at 10 o'clock or 11.
Yeah, and even sometimes if there isn't news, it'll move a little bit. So, you know, somebody will jump in, throw some money at the problem.
Come on, Betsy. What we going to do? We got some buying pressure on that wick right there. So I would expect this to be a little bull flag here, but we got 10 o'clock coming up in less than 20 seconds. So if this happens before, I'm going to be slightly annoyed because
the flags always repeat themselves.
Hey, Jive Turkey, you better relax with that. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to hear that right now.
We're going back in that range.
Yeah, back into that 15-minute range, coming up to that 21. The 21 is sitting at 203.50. 203.50. It just moved up just slightly, 203.75 now for the 21. So we're just patiently waiting, right? We're patiently waiting. Look at that wick on that candle, though, right? Still showing buying pressure. So unless the bears swipe that buying pressure, let's see how we react off this 21. Getting ready to tap it. 2 ticks off from tapping it. There we go. Just tap that 21 through it now. Let's see how the market reacts on this 21 EMA. What's up, Brett? Good morning, sir. Hopefully you're doing well, brother. I'm looking at possibly heading out to Vegas in the month of May for our monthly meetup. Heading out to Vegas. And if we go, just know we're not going to be gambling in the casinos. Your boy's going to be eating a lot because I heard they got some good burrito spots out there. What's up, Adrian? What's up, Sinjay? Or Sinjay? Why is the chart is like, huh? Oh, why is that chart is like, oh, that's the Renko chart. That's why it's like that. It is not time-based. It is price-based. Already up $4,200 for the day. So I'm literally just freaking chilling right now. I am not risking anything for the biscuit. I'm waiting for another execution here because I will trade some Tradeify evals. The 4,200 were on Apex PAs. We're now, I'm just going to wait for another move. We're below the close from yesterday. Let's see if we get a little bear flag under here. Because your boy won't be complaining, I'll tell you that. Adrian, I'm using Ninja Trader to execute my trades, but you can get Renko bars on Ninja Trader, TradingView, Tradeify. Multiple platforms have them, but most traders don't know how to use them. I'm not most traders. You know what I'm saying? Like,
hey, give Carmona the Ninja Renko link. He was asking for it earlier.
Let me slide over. We have another training Tuesday night. I'm going to send this one over Jose right now. Yeah, a lot of people don't really know about it.
Okay, so we're going to build a flag on the other side. Did you say there was news at 10:30?
Yeah.
Yep, news at 10:30. News at 10:30. Let's go, Mr. Carmona. There he is. Well, glad it helped, bro. Why is this? What's this doing? I'm not trying to leave this.
How's the morning going, everybody?
Whoa! It's God himself on the stream. That voice was deep there, boys. He must still be in bed. He must still be in bed.
No, I'm not in bed.
Sure, he's not. Looking like a little bear flag right there. Let's see if we get some more structure on this.
What's up, BP?
Not too much. I'm just chilling, hopping on. Hopefully we can get some good movement here.
Well, Steven, I'm happy it's giving you more confidence. That's what these streams are for, right? To help you have more confidence in the markets so you can execute your plan, not my plan, your plan to get this money. So I'm happy that it's working for you. Happy BP joined the gang on the Zoom call today. Because now that he's here, I'm going to go take a break.
green. Which way is it going, baby?
I feel like this is trying to do a bear flag. Honestly, looking at that 2 minute right there.
It's a little retracement.
Once we get below that 191.50,
Go, Michael.
that 191.50 would be the spot I want to get below. For me, it feel a little bit more comfortable for a short. And then if we get below, I'll probably be shorting it until the middle of the range and then getting out as quick as possible. But the bears need to step in here because I don't want us getting too much higher above this 21 EMA. And we just got too far away from that 21 that I like. So that's going to negate the flag I was looking for. We went more than 50% of the pole. So it can still try playing out, but it has to have some strong momentum for me to like be like, yes, let me jump in. Like that. Let me see some strong momentum make me want to jump in. All right, here you go. But we got buying wicks down there, so be careful. Never short into a buying wick. Trust me, it's not fun being in drawdown. All right, we're getting ready to get below that 190. All right, below 191 there. Let's see if we get some follow through down here. I gotta see follow through for me to want to enter. It's not heavy enough yet. It's not heavy enough. I want to stay below that 191.50 level. Chopping right here a little bit, consolidating. Want to stay below the 190. I'm looking below the 191.50 for the short, but we have to have follow through. I'm getting ready to kill this.
Coming up on 30 seconds on the 1 minute candle that you're trading off of.
I just killed it. I just killed. Oh, that's why. Thank you, Steve. Dang it. I thought I switched back to my 2 minute.
I'm up 580.
Alrighty.
Hope to hear it.
Yurt.
Got that little retrace on that current minute, and I just took it down a little bit.
Come on, give me the full flushy flush.
Guys, I gotta go.
Have a good one, Moose. Have a good day, bro.
Take care.
Later.
Seconds. On the 5 and the 2.
We're just consolidating right here.
Yeah, I ain't feeling it. The Dow is being weird again too.
Okay. Yeah, I'm getting ready to kill this one. I did a re-entry on this one, but we're just consolidating right now. I'm not feeling it. So gotta protect capital. This is an eval. These are evals right here. I'm already up 4,200 in fundeds, but I'm not liking this price action right now. So I killed that. Not worth it. Because we're above that 191, right? So that 191 for me, 50 is the line in the sand for myself. I don't want to be in trades for a short above that 191 level. At this point, I'll actually rotate off these accounts, go to some Lucid accounts, because I'm not going to put them at those accounts at risk right now unless we get some better movement, because we're above that 191 level right now, and I would expect if we stay above that 191, we'll push again. There's the 21 EMA kind of holding us below that 21 right now. So that's a good sign for a short opportunity, but we got to stay below that 191.50. I just feel like we're going sideways right here. And for me personally, we don't trade sideways action. We trade ups and downs, never sideways. Trying to push up again. Yeah, like right now, this 2-minute chart is looking ugly. I may target that VWAP again. It's still sitting above the range for this morning. Still sitting above the range. But gotta see some good movement. Come on, Betsy. Have a good one, Brett. BP, what you thinking, bro? What you thinking?
I think ES just undid some bearish SMT, so we might be trying to push up. Also, I was being a little bit blind, and I didn't really realize, but right here at the I'm looking at the two minute candles right now, but right here at 934 and the low at 946, and Q made a higher low, and then ES made a lower low, so that did form a type of bullish SMT right there as well.
So for layman's terms, for everyone that doesn't understand what he just said, go long or short.
Yeah, but wait, what about the Dow, Maestro? Because
I was looking at it. It looks like it's just been like, it has a lot of buying strength right now. But it also had, I feel like it had like almost like a crazy amount of selling strength today too. Because whenever we opened, we dumped like 300 points.
Yes, well said, oh great one.
Well said, oh great one.
Well, I message you, so if you see it, you'll get it.
We need some momentum, because right now it's moving, but it's chopping.
It sucks.
We're up here. We tapped the high of the 15-minute range, coming back down here slightly. We're like in this weird spot because the 191.50 was holding the price up, acting as some support there. We're above that 21 EMA, but below the VWAP. Below the VWAP, but above the 21 EMA here. So we're in like no man's land right now for me. Like, I'm willing to put on a couple more trades, but they gotta be clean.
Please.
I'm up $4,200 in funded accounts. I ain't risking it for the biscuit, even though I'm trading out some evals. Still not just trying to YOLO.
True. I think NQ needs to go up like another 20 points and take out the candle from 956.
Okay.
That way we can keep correlation up, because right now NQ's experiencing more selling pressure than the other assets. So it needs to catch up.
Here comes a pop.
Duane and then trade a reversal. Go. Like, what happened? Why did it jump? That's not fair. I'm just kidding.
Come on, give me that little VWAP tap. We were like 2 ticks off from the VWAP. As soon as we tap it, I'm going to close it. This thing is lollygagging. And our music ended. Of course, it ends while I'm in a trade. That's one of my pet peeves.
Do.
Got like 14 more points so we can recorrelate again.
I see exactly what you're talking about. That's what's cool. I appreciate it, BP, because when you say it and I see it, it's like, okay, now I'm like, it's clear.
Yeah. You can see how it's like experiencing the selling pressure right now. We need it to catch up so that way the bears can lose.
All right, let me try looking sideways to get some more music and looking over here to make sure I'm not losing too much on this account.
You love it, baby. Back with more yacht rock.
Just close. Tapping that VWAP there. Yeah, it ain't no clean setups right now. Kind of chopping. 120 on 2 accounts right there, though. It may honestly try chopping until FOMC. Sad to say.
I forgot to check news today.
Yeah, we got news at 10:30. There we go, getting above that VWAP. The pivot point would be the next target if we stay above the VWAP. Sitting there at 237.50. 237.50 would be the target. But we did not stay above that pivot, that VWAP. Back into the 15-minute range now. Yeah, not liking this price action right now.
We also failed to take that high still.
Yeah, we made this. We either need to build a bull flag on that 5-minute there. I want to see a clean setup, just somewhat clean setup right now, because I'm not liking how the market's moving.
Honestly, the best way I can kind of describe it to you is like, imagine if ES had like that same pivot that you can see on like your 2-minute chart. That's like basically what happened. It went and took that pivot already, and then NQ is like experiencing more like selling pressure. So so it's like lagging behind. We want to see it go and like attack that pivot still, so that way we can recorrelate.
We want to see it attack it. I like that terminology, BP. Attack the market. Get it? BP, have you taken any trades yet today or no?
I was waiting to see if we were going to come retest this one order block we made earlier, but it is just dancing. And then I was looking to monitor for this bearish one because it started miscorrelating there. So I was like, oh, well, I'll wait to see if we can take a short instead. But
Yeah.
it looks like we're still pushing up, so we're still fighting back.
The fight's real right now. The push and pull's real. The push and pull's real. And it's so freaking slow. I don't like slowness. Rinko's starting to look a little bit heavier there. Probably going to take us down to that 21 EMA again, to be honest. Because we're getting closer and closer to that pool of it. Buyers trying to step in. But we're below this VWAP. Like, I don't want to take a long until above the VWAP with follow through. Because I want to attack that pivot like BP said. Come on, let's get to that VWAP. There's the VWAP little tap again. We tapped it. But are we going to push through it? That's the $1 million question right now. We got to push through this VWAP so we can attack that pivot. But with how slow it's going, I feel like it's going to swipe. If we're going to swipe that pivot, it's going to be like quick. It's not going to be a slow swipe. Right now, we're just building. Yep. Yeah, I'm not liking the Rinko's dance. We're going to go swipe it without me. It is what it is. I'm not feeling the price action right now. It's not clean. It's not clean. We're creeping up. Here comes that pivot.
Here it goes.
I just didn't. I wasn't trying to sit in it. I was not trying to sit in that. We didn't even tap it though. That's crazy too. Almost tapped it. We were like, all right, there we go. There's the official tap of the pivot point. Let's see how we react. I have a target above the pivot up at 265, 25. I have a target up there. So maybe we build us a little bull flag. Past 2 days, we have not had clean action. If I'm trying to target that 265 level, we got to get above that pivot point for me to target it. I'm not looking for any longer until above that pivot. Just added a little bit more right there. So $500 on the Lucid accounts, and we just hit yesterday's high.
Look at that.
265 would be my next target here. 265 is the next target.
Duane would like to see a flag.
Yeah, I need a flag right now. I'm not liking taking these momentum plays right now because they're a little bit more risque. You know what I'm saying? Risques. So we need a good momentum play. Flag
Keep
play.
in mind, it just passed 420 away from the news, so about 4 minutes coming up.
Yep. 4 minutes coming up on the news at 10:30. News at 10:30 here.
What is? Oh, wait.
Hold up.
Wait, isn't that for Canada though? Or are we talking about the crude oil?
No, we got news at 10:30 for the U.S.
The crude oil one?
Oh, let me go back. Hold on.
Yeah, it says we got red folder for Canada, and then we have yellow folder for crude oil.
All right, it's loaded. So we got 10:30 news. Crude, fuel totals, gasoline, imports, exports of crude, all 10:30 for us. So in 3 minutes, 16 seconds and counting down. Let's see what we get here. We got news in less than 3 minutes right now. I'm waiting. We have not gotten a clean flag. It looks like we may try reaching out, try getting to that 265 here. But that is my first target from this 15-minute range. But I would like to see a flag. I would like to see a flag.
At this point in time, NQ started to experience a lot of buying pressure, and we went and we took out these highs over here, basically pre-market, and now we need ES to come up and do the same.
Good copy. Good copy. Less than 2 minutes on the news.
BP, I got my ES chart open right next to my NQ.
Yeah, you see how we haven't experienced the same buying pressure just yet on the ES?
There we go. Just swipe that 265 level that I was talking about. Just swipe that bad boy. Awesome. Well, next target for me would be up at 311.50. 311.50. But I want to see a flag. Market, please listen. Give me a flag so I can get in on this.
All right, we're going. 1 minute warning.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you for the 1 minute warning there. 1 minute. 1 minute for the news for the U.S. Then we got FOMC later today as well. I will not be trading for that. It's not worth it because I'm not going to be home. Come on, Betsy. Tonight, we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where we're talking trading, we're talking life, and everything in between. So come hang out with us. It's always a good time getting to know you guys and just vibing with y'all.
News.
There's the news. There's the news. 10:30 news right there. I would probably put the pivot point as my floor. I want that pivot to hold the price up if we drop back down to it.
Where's your pivot at?
My pivot is down at
37.
37.50. So I don't want to get below that 37.50 level. But this may be trying. Let's see if we get us a little bit bull flag here.
It's so interesting because if price reverses in that same area, I would have like a possible like bearish breaker block.
I could see that.
Let's see. Let's see what we're going to get here. We drop below the line I will want if this is going to be a little bull flag for us. Let me move this line up over here as well. We also have to get through that 265 level. We have to get above that for me to be looking for a long for this flag as well. I'm not trying to take the long at the bottom of the flag. I want to take it towards the top. There we go, getting that buying pressure. Coming up to my yellow line, tapping it. Come on, Betsy. I'll take that. Added another $200 there just on a quick little snipe.
But we want big moves, Wayne. What do we have to do to get the big moves, Wayne?
Honestly, right now with the current price action, I'm not looking for big moves at all. Because this price action has not been very clean today.
I was just teasing. I was like pretending I was playing a role. Hey, so BP, are you looking to get in at any point with your long-term?
Well, I was waiting to see if the shorts were going to get rejected, and whenever we took out the bearish S&T, I probably should have just said hop into the long, honestly. Just because if there was no bearish signal like that anymore, then the bulls were just going to win it. Once we recorrelated is what I'm talking about. Like the potential for a bigger bearish position to be built up was like denied. So I kind of assumed we'd probably start pushing higher.
$311.75 would be my next target. Schumann and Dave, what's up, gentlemen? South Georgia, well, welcome. Another day in the markets, bro. 4,200 on funded accounts. Working on some evals now so I can still trade with you guys without risking giving money back to the market on the fundeds. So we're cooling it. We're cooling it. Getting ready to take out this high at the 285. 285, I want to take out that high there. All right, there we go. Awesome. Can we get us another flag?
ES is finally about to start taking some of those pre-market highs.
I was just looking at that. I have a line across.
I also show on mine that London high was just taken on NQ as well. But maybe we can push past it because we got Asia high up at 318.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm like antsy right now trading. I don't like that feeling. I'm not taking any more trades a day. And of course, it does it after I close, but whatever. I want that 311. Coming up to that 300 level. We gotta get some flags. We have not been getting any real clean flags today, and I don't like that. Still made money, but still don't. I like the strategy. I like the system that I built. Makes it more comfortable to trade. There's that 300 level getting pushed through. We're gonna go right up to that 311. We take out that overnight high, that 317 area. I'll bet we could pump. All right, there's the 311 tab. Next target I have, let's push above our second target at the 311. There we go. 358.50. Crazy. 358.50 is my next target. We got to get through that overnight high there from the Asian session as well. And just see. I need some flags. I need flags.
Bro, we have not gotten like any flags. It's all just been like nothing but green candles.
No, I know, and that's why I've been doing like momentum plays, but I hate just doing momentum plays.
Yeah.
Like, I hate it because I'm not getting that extra confirmation. So I've taken a couple extra trades, everything like that. I made money, but they were a little bit more risky trades. I don't like risky trades. That's a no bueno. Okay, maybe right here we start getting us a little flag, but we're below that 300 level now as well. Let me look at the 1 minute, because that's how I messed myself up earlier. I took a trade. I thought I was on the 2 minute. I was on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, we're getting a bull flag. Trying to get a bull flag on that one. Trading the Nasdaq. We are trading the Nasdaq here, folks. Futures. We trade it every single day, Monday through Friday, live with you guys on YouTube and with the market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society, my private trading community, which is free to join, by the way. Hopefully, you guys are staying safe in the markets. We do a traders hangout every night of the week at 9:30 p.m. Eastern, where I have more time to focus on interacting with you guys in the chat. Because when we're trading, your boy is simply trying to execute to print some monies each and every day, and you guys get to be part of it. But the night sessions, we're just hanging out, we're talking, we're fireside, we're poolside, just chilling, listening to good music and good people. Hey, let's go, Warrior. Good job, man. Warrior's part of the builders. So him getting 369, love to see it. Love to freaking see it, bro. Happy for you. Warrior, question for you: were you using the strategy, or you were still doing a little bit of your stuff as well? So we may get some flag action finally.
Yeah, I believe that when I actually see it and they print. It's like 30 seconds into a 5-minute flag. I'm not taking my claim on that.
I feel like if price comes back and closes below like 278, we might start seeing some kind of pullback. And it could just be a correction before the next impulse up. But if we fail to get below there, then I'd probably assume we're building a bull flag.
I want this candle to stay red on the 2-minute. I want this candle to stay red on the 2-minute, and the next candle could be the green and rip us up. Awesome, Warrior. Congrats, bro. Happy for you, man. What are you trying to do, Betsy? What are you trying to do? Show us what you're trying to do, girl. Yo, I'm ready to work out today. Like, I am ready to work out. My bigger thing is being more patient before trading. Listen, that's everybody, Ward. That's not just yourself, right? If you're putting the lines on your chart, that should help you have a little bit more patience. Because you tell yourself, hey, until we get through this line, I can't take a trade. That's what's helped me not just jump into a lot of trades, is I put the lines on the chart so that way I don't enter until we break through the lines. That's what's saved me multiple times. Because I'm like, yo, I want to click the freaking button. I love hearing that. I love hearing this. Let me take it off that one. There we go. I just love hearing that. I love that. I don't know what it is. It's a dopamine hit. But you put those lines on the chart, you wait till we push through them in either direction that you're looking for, then you execute. It will save you time and keep you more patient since you're waiting for the move to actually happen. Looking like we may be getting a little bull flag here. We're going to see what we get. But hopefully we're not getting ready to roll down here. Just looking at that, hopefully we're not getting ready to roll here. I want to see a bull flag. We got some buying pressure on that 5-minute. That's when this may be our bull flag, but we got to start pushing. For all the people on YouTube, welcome to the welcome to the Legacy Wealth Society's morning stream, where we're executing trades live with you guys, printing money with you guys, and helping you guys grow and learn. Welcome. Hopefully you're enjoying. Hit that like button, that sub button, so that way YouTube knows you actually like it. And the sub will let you know every time we go live. Since we go live every single day, Monday through Friday in the morning, 9:20 a.m. and every night, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. Look how tight these Renkos are right here. Definitely want to get higher. That's for sure. What were you getting ready to say, BP?
I was going to say, this may be getting ready to be the move because we kind of like retested that candle low where I was interested in if we closed below. Because I was trying to see if we'd get below that either 277 or 278 price and see what kind of reaction we get. But we're still building structure above it, which is good for a bull flag.
It is. It is good. And actually, let me rotate back to one of the accounts I got.
15 seconds on the 5-minute candle, so you Duane will be happy about that. 'Cause flag.
I will say one thing that I currently don't like is how ES started experiencing more selling pressure, and it's kind of like failing to work up to like the same region area.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking at that because I have the two charts right next to each other.
Because for ES, London High is up at 7,181, and we're currently like 11 points away, I guess. But we kind of need price to be there.
Give me the rocket ship. Take me higher.
Dum.
And this thing's just rolling.
I think we're gonna pop. It's looking like it's possible.
No, that's why I sat in this one, because we built some more structure. I hate being trades when we're still building structure of the flag. But I expect no, I hate it. I hate it.
You make
Like-
me nervous when you do this stuff.
I make you nervous. I make myself nervous. Because I was watching the 5 minute.
I should have sent you my doodle because you'd still be safe.
I would still be safe.
25 seconds on that 5 minute.
Now we got a lot of selling pressure right there.
10 seconds.
We either need a shoot to the moon here, or I'm gonna just kill it.
2 seconds.
Oh man, I've been trying to get better at reading Delta.
Yes.
Yeah, we're getting ready to fall, boys. It's looking heavy. Let me
I
close
think,
close out.
The delta is looking more negative.
We're getting ready to come on down because that's the bear flag. So inside the big flag, it's trying to do a bear flag.
A lot of fighting over this one candle. I don't think I understand delta still. It was a green candle and we had more sellers. I was like, yo, I don't think I understand.
Yeah, no. Honestly, if I'm trying to take it long at this point, I'm waiting till we get above 260, 311 actually. Above 311. Nothing before then. Above 311, okay, cool. Take that long, but
Or below like 82 in that range too, because it's just chopping.
we got 9 more minutes for 11 o'clock. 9 more minutes here, and I'll be jumping off.
Yeah, I think I'm done, baby.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you.
Catch you on the flip side, BP. Carmona.
Take care.
Big G. Hey, I did text you, DB, so don't worry about that. You'll have something in your inbox later.
This is like some good structure though for a bull flag, but we just don't have the momentum. Looking at that 2 minute, that's a lot of structure right there.
You know what's interesting about reading these deltas?
Hmm.
More delta always forms on the lower side of the candle. So I feel like weirdly enough, it's like people are always buying more when it's like the candle is red. It's just weird to look at.
I believe that. All right, we're sitting right at this 300 level. Are we going to get the momentum of push here? All right, I closed that. I'm not liking it. I'm like, I gotta stop. I gotta honestly stop. Made $5,000 in fundeds, but I gotta stop because it's not feeling comfortable today, boys. I'm not feeling comfortable right now. I added a little bit more, but I wasn't enjoying the feeling at all. So I'm done. So today was over a $6,000 day. Well, 5250 in funded, then 800 and some change in some evals, red in some Tradeify evals. It happens. Hopefully, are you guys winning in the chat? If you guys are winning in the chat, throw a W in the chat. Let me know you're winning. If you're losing today, throw that L in the chat, so I know how you guys are performing today. I'm still in a trade. Hey, are you long or short? Are you long or short, Rob? That's the question. Watching my day will come. Hey, Jay, you going to get it, bro. You're going to get it. All right, Rob's long. Rob's long. Be careful, brother. Looks like we're still building some structure on that 5 minute there. That's why it wasn't, the momentum hasn't been clean. Come on, Betsy. Are you finally going to do the pop, or are we just going to sit here? We're close to this whole number, that 300 level. We got to get above that 311 for me to feel comfortable. A little bit more comfortable, but I'm done trading. I got 3 more minutes on the stream today, and I'll see y'all tonight. Because it's not feeling comfortable. It was not feeling comfortable today.
I agree with that. I was waiting for like 2 retests that did not come, which was unfortunate. Which I feel like at the same time could have been like a flag formation. But...
yeah. But since they didn't come, you didn't take any trades. So
yeah, basically.
You didn't lose anything, so that's always good.
The only thing I think I would have done differently with my day is whenever the bearish S&P was undone, going long at that point, because there was a lot of liquidity at the highs, or like in the higher region areas such as London High, etc. But yeah, I think that was my only thing that I fumbled with, is I could have once the bearish S&P got taken out, I could have went long right there.
Yeah. Well, tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow is a new day. Warriors, don't give the market any more money. Don't give any more. Are you still green for the day? You should still be green for the day. Take your money and run. Right now is not the time to give profits back. We're coming up on 11 o'clock in less than a minute here. Slow and steady. Slow and steady, folks. That's the way we win. Slow and steady. Right now, since we're momentum traders, we have no momentum. So for everyone that trades with momentum, right now, there's nothing we can do. There is no momentum right now. Well, family, friends, and everything in between, it's officially 11 o'clock. I'm going to be jumping off here because, like, the market's not really moving. So I will catch y'all tonight for the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, talking trading, talking life, and everything in between. Don't forget, hit that like button and the sub button on these current streams. And I will catch y'all later. Everybody stay safe in these crazy slow markets. Today is FOMC this afternoon. Please don't trade it. If you do decide to trade it, only trade evals. Don't trade funded accounts. There's no reason to risk it for FOMC. It's that freaking simple. BP. G,
Yes,
you
sir.
guys have a great rest of your day. I will catch y'all later.
Thanks, bro. You too. I hope you have a good day as well.
You as well. Have a good one, guys.
Peace out, G.
All right, YouTube. Your dog's out. See you later.